This is a bedroom with a wine cellar. Now that's a plus. Why did I not think of this? Hi everybody. Federico and I are here in a beautiful part of the Lunigiana, and it's very near one of my favorite towns, Villafranca. It's also right across the street from a big trailhead and a beautiful hike. So if you're a nature person, this might be a great pick for you. It's 340,000 euros. And it has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a pool. Full disclosure, it's an above ground pool. You know how I feel about those. Let's take a look, shall we? Okay, so it is a new house. This is not an ancient house. Nuovo questa casa.
Una parte nuova e una parte in pietra, come vedrai.
Oh, so it was built onto an ancient house.
Esatto.
A ancient tiny ruin or big ruin?
No, big in pietra.
Okay, all right. So there was a ruin here, and they built a modern house. I always have to think how I want to phrase this. So there's this interesting modern touch. I believe what they've done is they've taken what I would value as an ancient house that I would probably lovingly restore. Italians equate stone houses with poverty, so they like modern things. When I went to look for our first house, I didn't know this, so I'd be like, why would they sort of wreck what was already very beautiful? I just think that you have to know that culturally when you walk through so that you can sort of make an assessment. So this is a more modern, very typical Italian house. There aren't any, great architectural features. It's a very comfortable house. I do like these rounded windows. I think it gives you a nice point of view. There's a great little pizza oven and an dining area down there that's quite charming. If you're a person that likes living sort of in nature and in the woods, it's a great house for you. It's big and it has lots of room, lots of space.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's got 5. A lot of windows in here, which is lovely. Windows, no problem.
Today,
no problem. He speaks English like I speak Italian. It's great. It's perfect. We're perfect for each other.
In future.
We're perfect for each other. Perfect.
Kitchen.
The kitchen is very cute. It's a very tiny kitchen. I think moving a few walls in this house would not be a problem. I would eat up a little bit of that room for the kitchen because the kitchen is a little tight. It's very cute though. It's very charming.
Big stone.
Doing what he does now. All right, a lot of steps. I'm not quite sure why they couldn't make this more on one level, but whatever. I always feel like I'm going through a maze when I go through some of these houses, Okay, carry on.
1 bedroom.
What is that? Let's start where you're standing. Why are we going?
Small room
for
wash.
Oh, that's nice. So it's a little utility room, utility closet, mechanical room. Terrific. And then there's a little half bathroom in here.
Yes, important for
very little.
For terrace.
All right, are we doing the house?
Yes.
Where are you going? What's happening to you? What's happening today?
Era invitante.
Focus, Federico, focus.
Era invitante.
All right, and what is this? This is a bedroom with a wine cellar. Now that's a plus. All right, everybody here's doing this now. Yes. Why did I not think of this? And there's gin there. Do they drink a lot of alcohol?
Wow.
I mean, what? Che cosa questo?
È piccolo, magari quando andava a letto aveva bisogno di una carica. Chianti.
Okay.
Wow.
So this is a bedroom with a wine cellar. I'm speechless. No bathroom here. Where do you take a shower?
Near.
In the wine cellar?
It's possibile. It's possible.
It certainly is.
Small cellar,
Yeah.
fireplace.
All kidding aside, you could put a bathroom in there. I don't know. I mean, it's up to you. bedroom. You said there were 2 bathrooms.
Bathroom.
Yeah. Where's the other bathroom? Oh,
2,5.
what does that mean? Okay. Everybody falls down the stairs. This is kind of nice, this landing here, though. I do like that. This is my nightmare room. It's like a loft, a spiral staircase, and a shower. It's plumbed. You could make it a bathroom. I mean, right? Did you say 2 bathrooms? So if you add up the one
Due
here
bagni
and downstairs, it's
Esatto.
actually a full bathroom, is what
Esatto.
you're saying.
Moment.
In parts.
So
Allora.
when you have to go to the toilet, run downstairs. But if you're taking a shower, run upstairs. And what if you have to go to the toilet while you're taking a shower? Okay, I don't know what the description of this room. I mean, Federico.
2 bagni.
Federico, 2 bathrooms?
2 bathroom.
E questo
Tante
no-
opzioni.
I love it. He's the best. You have options. I love it. I like your thinking. I like your attitude. I do like these little windows. They're very cute and they're handy, you know? They're for airing things out.
I've searched the hills, the rivers they wind, a slice of heaven so hard to find. Rustic stones and old oak doors, dreaming of the Lunigiana shore.
Ho camminato tra monti e valli, dove i sogni si fanno reali. Case antiche, un sogno a metà, nella Lunigiana che mai se ne va.
When I look at these properties, you know, you got to look up. Looking up is super important, kind of seeing what's happening as far as water. So you're living in the forest. The Lunigiana is a damp place. It rains here a ton. So there's a lot of damage under this balcony, lots of cracks. It is a great veranda, very nice. Nice
Tutto il terreno è
terrace.
proprietà fino alla strada.
The land is a little bit, you know,
Organizzare, organization.
organization. Okay, great. Good tip. Organize your land. You could tell this is very,
Questa è una quercia, una bellissima pianta.
yeah, that is a very pretty tree. Beautiful tree.
Wow!
It's-
Fungo velenoso.
So there's been
Mushroom.
there's been lots of movement here because of the way that it was built. That would concern me. I'm just saying, I look for all the things that would concern me. If we were in the United States, and this is what you have to realize about Italy. So if we were in the United States, your real estate agent, this guy, would tell you that you'd have to fix this before you sold it.
Oh, barbecue.
Oh wow, this is quite nice though. They did a really nice job with this. It's very pretty. I like it. Are you hungry? You're never
Lunch.
hungry. You're so full of crap. He never eats lunch. Oh, I'm sorry. Is there astroturf here? Wow. Oh man.
Sì, sì, sì. Ma no problem. No
No.
problem.
No problem. Yeah, there is a problem because it's all over. And she discovered that in the Polynesian backyard, the grass was not real. And I think the bamboo around the pool really makes it feel very like I want to have like a fruity drink, fruity cocktail. Oh boy. This is kind of like, I think this is a DIY gone bad. How much is this house? 340?
Yes.
Oh, that's too high.
Position.
Position, okay. Because it's across from the trailhead. Tell us.
Independent. E sia 35 minutes.
From Villafranca,
Villafranca 5 minutes.
okay. And 35 minutes from where?
Lerici.
Oh, Lerici. Well,
10 minutes a Ulla. Sì,
okay.
giusto.
So it's a good position, good location.
Tranquillo.
It's quiet.
Relax.
Okay,
Privacy.
okay,
Sun.
okay.
Not today, ma
This
sun
is
no problem.
Federico's TED Talk. There's no sun here because you're covered in trees.
Ideal for relax.
Yeah, for
for
relaxing.
trekking.
Okay. All right. But this has to go. This has to
Yeah.
via, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So even he agrees it has to via. I like the 2 camera thing. I'm digging this. to camera action today. All right.
Annette, ideal for holiday or for rent?
Yeah, so I'm ready for that drink.
For rent,
And I'm ready to go. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you at the next location. Bye-bye.